Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we have a 2010 Ford Edge. Customer complaint, premature activation of the ABS, traction control systems, no lights on in the dash, so we have to diagnose it. So we scanned the ABS control module. We have two codes coming back. We have a steering wheel angle sensor signal fault, and we have a stability control inhibit code. So the next step in our diagnostics is going to have to be to see why the steering angle sensor code is coming up, because that could definitely cause our customer complaint. For our diagnosis, we looked at the wiring diagram. It's a 4-wire system going to the steering angle sense module, power, ground, and communications to other modules. So we don't have any hard faults with that. We monitor the data PIDs slowly turning left and right, and we noticed there's a hiccup turning to the left. The vehicle thought that the wheel is pointing a different direction. So there is an updated part from Ford, so we recommended to the customer to replace these updated components with the clock spring, and he approved, so we're going to replace them and test drive. So because of the age of the vehicle, we recommend to the customer to replace a clock spring or spiral cable, because they are a pretty common fault on a lot of manufacturers' vehicles, and it does actually block the disassembly and removal of the steering angle sense module. So we have them replaced. We're going to do an alignment on it, perform a steering angle reset, make sure everything's straight, and test drive. Technician just came back from the test drive. First step is to scan the vehicle one more time, make sure we don't have any codes coming back up. He also noted that we have no more false activation of the ABS and traction control system, so we're fixed. Thanks for watching our video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you have any constructive criticism, please make sure you hit us up in the comments section. As always, have a great day.